Hey friends, in this video I will show you how to fix touchpad pointer not working or not responding. So let's get started. First of all, simple do this method. Just drag your mouse to start menu, click on it, and here you can see the power option. Just restart your system and check your mouse pointer working or not. If not working, follow the second method. Just drag your mouse, here you can see the taskbar, right click on it, and task manager, just click to open task manager and scroll down a little bit. Find Windows Explorer. Here you can see the Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart the Windows Explorer. After restarting Windows Explorer, check your touchpad pointer working or not. If not working, follow the third method. Just click to open start menu and open setting. After you can open setting, just tap here update and security and check your latest update coming or not. Update your operating system, and after updating check your touchpad pointer is working or not. If not working, follow the last method. First of all, drag your mouse to start menu, right click on it. Here you can see the device manager. Click on device manager and expand this option mic and other pointing device, and your case showing these two devices. So first of all, here you can see my Lenovo pointing device. This is the external mouse. So here you can see the my touchpad mouse pointer. Just right click on it and disable this device. After disable this device, again re-enable this device. Right click on it and here you can see the enable option. Just enable this device again and close this window and check your mouse working or not. If not working, reboot your system and check your mouse. Definitely it's working. I hope this video was helpful for you. If video was helpful for you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my more videos. So yeah guys.